Your key to connections is at ALOA 2025 in Orlando, Florida. Join us August 3rd through 9th at the Hilton Orlando. You have a choice when it comes to education. And when you choose the ALOA Convention and Security Expo, you're choosing the best place to make connections for your career. Connect with the industry's best instructors and your fellow students in hands-on classes. Meet people from all over the world to enhance your professional network and make friendships that will last a lifetime.
It's always important to invest in yourself, and the value that I see in ALOA is the camaraderie that you have amongst the whole team and the staff and all the people that are showing up to learn.
Meet one-on-one with suppliers to build relationships and learn about the latest products and technology. Everything you need for success is right here. Get keyed in at ALOA 2025 in Orlando.